Hi guys, welcome to Alpha Wolf channel. This is the channel I give you serious value, I give you good content, right? So today's video I'll be talking about how you can make up to 100,000 naira and even more than 100,000 naira every month by working as a home tutor, like a teacher. So you can teach anything, literally there are a lot of stuff you can teach, and this website is a website where you can sign up in. They'll connect you to parents that are looking for teachers for their children. Everything is just on point, and you can just work for 1 hour and make good amount of money every month. You can do more than one gig, like you can teach more than one children. This is Nigeria based. Now the thing is, I have done this and I know how this thing works. Without further ado, let's go straight to today's video in details, right? So today's video I'll be talking about how you can make 100k monthly teaching in Nigeria, what the website is about, the requirement, how you can create your account, and how you can start earning. Yes, are you a qualified teacher? Do you have passion for teaching? Do you know how to share knowledge? Is this something you're interested in? One thing I want you to understand is this is not a sponsored post. Like, I don't know anything with them. It's just that, like, this, they're not paying me to do this, but it's because I've benefited from the platform long time ago when I was doing my youth service. Myself and my friend, we used to make money from this platform. So what we did was we just signed up. Somebody told us about the platform, we signed up, we created an account, and jokingly, we were in Kano then, right? They started contacting us and they were like, you have parents that want you to teach their children, and boom, that was how we started making money. We made good amount of money. I was doing this as a side hustle, but my friend was doing it more because then his PPA, it wasn't going frequently, so he just turned this on to his main job, and he was making up to 100,000 naira every month. So the name of this website I'm going to tell you is called Tuteria. If you don't know about it, you can go on google.com and just search for Tuteria. This is it. This first on tuteria.com, say find expert private tutors near you, right? So before we go straight, there's a lot of stuff I'm going to review to you in the trick, but then the website is a platform where parents or people that are looking for teachers connect with people that can teach. So this works in two ways. First, if you are a teacher, you know how to teach, or you have knowledge, you're a graduate, you've studied in school, you have skill, you can teach musical instruments, you can teach website design, you can teach maths, English, anything, everything, then you need to sign up on this website to make extra bucks. And second, if you're a parent, you're looking for good teachers that are qualified for your children, you also need to be on this platform, right? So the requirement is for you to have a degree, and even if you don't have a degree, have a knowledge, be an expert, because you'll be you'll be tested. Yes. Then secondly, the third one is how to create your account, which is something we are going to do straight up. I'm going to show you step by step. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not make any mistake, and then how to start earning, right? So with this, let's head straight to the next part. Welcome to today's video. Let's head straight to the practical side of the video, and please make sure, very important, you watch to the end. So the website is called tuteria.com, like I showed you from Google. So if you are having difficulty, just TUTERIA, you just open the website and you're going to create your account. Now if you notice, there's a name here. This is my account, right? But then I'm going to show you how step by step you can actually sign up for this particular platform. On this particular platform, you can see that here, if you subjects you can teach, you have mathematics, general mathematics, quantitative, further maths, algebra, arithmetic, SAT math, trigonometry, GMath, English, different English stuff. You can even teach for test of English language, IELTS, English literature, public speaking. So if you are a good teacher, you can teach any of these. You can sign up and begin to teach people, right? For exam preparation, you can help people prepare for their GMAT, TOEFL, GRE, IELTS, SAT writing, ICANN, whatever. Like science, you have different science courses you can train people on. Business, the same thing. Music, for people that know how to play music instruments, you can teach people how to play the piano, the keyboard, how to sing, saxophone, drums, violin, clarinet, and trumpet. And you can teach people different languages, right? From French to Yoruba to English to German to Fulani to different language, even the Hebrew language. Computer software, so different computer software, computer languages, computer programming and stuff like that. You can go on to teach children and adults that have interest. Now, art and science, you can also teach people about religion, fine art, history, food and nutrition, history, world history, home economics, drawing and Nigerian history. So any place you find yourself, this is a way for you to get extra money, right? So learning from experts, you know, there are also people that teach cooking, lifestyle, beauty, and they are all good. Like, you have to be good for it to be on this platform, because the platform is actually very rewarding, right? So this particular platform, tutorial.com, is Nigeria based, but it is supported by Force, Microsoft, channels. These are platforms that featured tutorial.com, and they've gotten an award, trusted by over hundreds, by 100 of parents. These are very good reviews. This woman said that she was searching for a NECO teacher for her child, and within a short period of time the child passed his exam and stuff like that. So many positive reviews, even people that wrote IELTS. This one guy said he was planning to write IELTS, and after the training he was able to, do well in his exam. Now let's go straight to, if you want to create an account on tutorial. Normally, if I had not signed in this place, this is where you can create your account from, but there's another place. You can scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see become a tutor, work with us, become a tutor. So if you're somebody that you want to start teaching on tutorial, you can just click on this become a tutor, then a page is going to open. That is where you create your account, right? You're going to create your account. So let's go to become a tutor. Now, to become a tutor and earn money teaching what you love, you can apply. It is free. The truth is, they actually pay on this platform. Now, teach anything, anywhere and anytime, from academics to test preparation to language to music. We have students looking for tutors in various subjects. These are some of the tutors they have here: Maths and English tutor, German tutor, GMAT tutor, fashion design tutor, different people. And this platform has paid over 403 million tutors. That is in naira, 403 million naira, and they have over 7,735 clients engaged, irrespective of the location you find yourself in Nigeria, whether you're in the north, the west. Because I'm currently in Lagos, but when I was in Kano during my NYSC, I used this platform and it actually paid me money. So it's not something I'm telling you that I know this thing actually works. I did not even know I've not made a video on it. It's just because I just realized a lot of people need extra money. That is why I decided to share this knowledge, right? So far, if you are liking this video, you're liking this content, please make sure you like my video. You leave a positive comment so that I can be posting and be showing you guys more legit ways to make money online, right? Now let's go straight to signing up and creating an account. That was where we were. So now you're going to click on apply. Now it is free. Then there will be a place where you can sign up and create your account. Right now it seems like my internet is slow, because if you notice here, this page is not loading completely, and I've been trying to click on apply now and create account. It is delaying me, but basically this is how it works. You go to the website tutorial.com, or you go to tutors.tutorial.com, you click on enter, and you click on become a tutor. So you can apply to become a tutor. Once it loads, it's going to open a page. You're going to put in your information, your name, your email address, your date of birth, the subject you want to teach, your bank account details and stuff like that. And then from your dashboard, you can now begin to put the subjects you want to teach people. And when you have, there's a place you put your account details. When you have done all those stuff, you'll be able to withdraw your money. I'm having serious internet issues. I actually started this video thinking I'm going to do this thing from the beginning to the end, but the truth is, as it stands right now, I might not be able to complete this video today. Maybe I'm going to do another one for if you guys have difficulty trying to sign up, because this is where my internet has failed me. I'm going to stop now. But if you have issues signing up, then I'll have to make a video on how to create your account. But basically, if you come to apply now, you should be able to create this account yourself. This is a very valuable information. This is a platform that actually pays people legit money, and I'm sure if you have benefited from tutorial.com, you can leave a comment, because this is actually real. For now, this is where I'm going to end this video. If you find my video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I drop another interesting content.